Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. As you can see, I got my hair colored. I'm back to red. I am so excited. I think it looks so pretty. I'm ready for summer. Give me a thumbs up if you like this hair color. What do you think? I like it. But back to the video. Today we will be unboxing my Glossybox for the month of May. I'm excited to see what's in there, so let's get started. I already know that the May Glossybox is a comic edition, and as you can see, the box is just pretty, isn't it? So I'm excited to see what is in there. As usual, it comes with a few, goodies to try. I never really use them. I usually just throw them away. Let's put the box over here where nobody needs it. And this is the actual box. Looks pretty. I'll unbox it. The inside is really cute as well, isn't it? That's what it looks like inside. That's the Glossy magazine on top. It's the comic edition. We'll take a look in that a little bit later. And there's the box. Let's unbox it together. Ooh, it's always so exciting to unbox a Glossybox. I don't know what it is. I just love it. And you can see already what's on top. It's something in pink. It says Schneider loves Glossybox. Oh, and it's a pen. I can always use a pen. I do write a lot at work, so that's always good. And people always steal my pens, so yay for that. Oh, now what does it say? Has this cute design as well. Isn't it cute? It says for soft and easy writing. It looks like this. It has this really nice big tip. Let's see if it writes nice. Oh, and it writes in pink. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, it's a pink one, so that's gonna be perfect for it because everybody's gonna know it's mine. Exciting. I love that already. And see, oh, I already see great things. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. It has something from Rituals inside. I love Rituals. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, everything's falling out. So it says 30, the Ritual of Karma Sun Protection Milky Spray. Can you read that? Yes. That is exciting. It's the Rituals. Yay. I'm always excited for Rituals. I'm always excited. So excited. It says, the Ritual of Karma, protect your skin, enjoy the sun. It comes in a bottle like this. Very stylish, nice mint green. Do you try it? Oh, it comes out like this. It's a spray. I don't know why I sprayed that on me. It is currently pouring outside. Oh, it smells good. It's nice, it's soft, it soaks right in, and it smells delicious. Oh my goodness. I wanted to try this so bad because I saw there's a UV protection hairspray. And I really want to try that because I do have color treated hair, and we are going on vacation twice this year. And oh my god, it smells really good. I like. Let's go over to the next item. So let's see. It's a brush, a fan brush by Luxie Beauty. It's the 5600 medium fan. I can always use a brush. Brushes are always good to use. I mean, nobody ever has enough brushes, aren't they? Don't they? Then we have a Dr. Scheller Natural and Effective Organic Pomegranate Anti-Wrinkle Care Day Cream. Contour Firming Demanding Skin. Do I look like I need a wrinkle cream yet? I don't know. I'm not sure. But it looks like this. Yeah, I'll try it out. It's vegan. In the mornings, apply to cleansed skin. Has water, glycerin, olive fruit oil, soybean oil. That sounds actually really good. Alcohol is like almost the last ingredient. It's a free sample. Exciting. We'll try it. We'll try it. Then we have a small item here. It's the Oil Ultime Rose Finishing Oil by Schwarzkopf for stressed hair and scalps. I can always use a hair oil. I mean, I do put oil to my hair every night or almost every night. It's a really small sample size. It has 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. It's not a lot. Let's see if it smells like anything. I can't open it. I can't open it. I put my cream on my hands. Now I can't open it. It's okay. We'll smell it later. Oil is always a good thing. And then the last item in here is a hand cream. And look at this. Isn't this cute? It's so cute. It's by Treaclemoon. It's the lychee sorbet for stressed hands with peach oil and vitamin E. Vitamin E is always good. Oh my, it smells like lychee. It's a vegan, no silicons or parabens, water, glycerin, grapeseed oil, and then there's alcohol. That's okay. Let's see. We'll put that on there too because we don't have enough cream on already. We'll try that. I don't know if I like the smell. I'm not sure. It's okay though. It smells okay. It feels like it's very hydrating for now. So I think we'll keep trying and let's see. There is an Eyeko, so that's the last item in my box. Right here, it's an Eyeko Fat liquid liner. I don't know if you can see that. Dramatic Longwear Carbon Black. Oh wow, that is really a thick liner. Look at this, like, my goodness. Let's see. Oh wow, that's black. So far it's not bleeding anywhere, but it's a really thick line. I don't even know. I mean, I'm not good with eyeliner, but we'll try it. We'll try it. It's a thick liner. I don't know if I can actually, you know, work with that, but we'll try. So now where did I put the magazine? Oh, down here. Let's take a look. Beauty news. Yeah, in the front it always has like this little look that you could do if you wanted to. And then we have the Eyeko London Fat Liquid Eyeliner. It's €17.94. And then we have the Luxie Beauty Medium Fan Face Brush. It's for highlighting. We already know that. And it's €15. So already on $32.95. And then we have the Oil Ultime, but the small size, that only is $4.50. So we're on like 37. And then we have there like nice things in here. Like that was Giorgio Armani. This would have been Catrice. Then they had some Revlon could have been in here. Would have been very excited about Revlon. The James Bond new perfume would have been awesome. I would have loved to try that. There we have the Rituals Cosmetic sun spray. That is €18. So I don't know, we were on 37. And then that's 40, 50, €55. 55, and then we have the hand cream right there. That's €2. So that's 57. Oh, I would have loved to try the Rodial Suede Lips. That would have been amazing. I already have the Ultra Sun. I got that before. I would have loved the Ultra Sun Face Moisturizer with SPF 50 plus. That would have been nice. And then we have the preview for the next month right here, and that would be Midsummer Edition. So kind of like Swedish something, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Excited, excited. Oh look, that's free shipping for a Emmy Gray flower box. Aren't they just cute? It's a little late for Mother's Day, but I think this is such a cute gift. We'll see, we'll try that out with my mom. And it says like real roses that like bloom many years. I don't know. I think I have to try that one out. That's awesome. Okay, so yeah, that was my Glossybox for the month of May. Cute design, love it. It's cute, comic design. However, I do think that the content wasn't that much comic. I don't know. Maybe the eyeliner, because it's like fat, and I think, you know, maybe that. Things I've been really excited about were the Rituals Sunspray. I'm so excited for it. I don't know. I'm really excited for it. So I will definitely test that and probably even buy more of these products just because it's summer and I'm excited and I love a good sun protection. So yes. Also exciting is the Luxie fan brush. You know, you can always use a brush. Let's unpack it and see if it's like super soft or not. And yes, it's super soft. It is super soft. Come on out. Yes. So what do you think? Yeah. Like, it looks like this. Maybe this way, huh? Luxie. Yes. I'm excited for the brush, and I am super excited that for the goodie that was in there. It's the pen in pink. I love it. So I will take that back to work with me and hope that nobody steals it, and I'm excited. It actually was writing really well. It has a nice tip as well. I'm excited for that one. Alright, so that was my Glossybox for the month of May. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. I hope I will see you in my next video again. Bye!